Alright, today we're smoking salmon with the Ninja Woodfire Grill. First thing you're going to do is cut that salmon into desired size pieces you want. Throw it on a tray, and then we're going to throw the salt and sugar cure on our salmon, and we're going to let it rest for 45 minutes. Alright, make sure you coat the top of the salmon pretty well. Don't add too much, otherwise the salmon will be a little bit too salty. Alright, after our salmon is rested for 45 minutes with that salt and sugar cure on it, we are going to rinse off the salmon in ice cold water. Make sure you rinse it off really well. I'm going to go over to the sink here and I'm going to run some cold water over it and get all that salt off. Alright, now that we have the salmon cleaned off really well, we're going to go ahead and put it into the fryer basket you get with your Ninja Woodfire Grill. I'm going to spray it down with some pan spray real quick. We're going to put that salmon skin side down, and we're going to put it on another tray to let this air dry for another 20 to 25 minutes until the outside of that salmon is nice and tacky. Alright, that salmon is ready to smoke, so let's get it out on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. We're going to set this at 180 degrees and cook it for 45 minutes. Salmon, woohoo! Man, it looks good. Alright, that is beautiful. Alright, the pan's going to be a little too hot to be picking up without a hot pad, so let's go grab that. Alright, it's 45 minutes at 180 degrees. Go ahead and shut the grill off. Right. We are going to see just what that temperature inside is. Alright, so this is the hottest I've cooked salmon on that grill, smoking it. It's 130. I think the salmon is absolutely amazing. So just to give you some rough information on temperatures. Well, a lot of guys will cook this between 120 and 125 for a medium rare. If you want medium, then it's going to be about 130 to 135. All of these are temping out at about 129 to 131. So I think we're in great shape. I was going to sous vide it, but I don't think that's what we're going to do. I think we're going to go ahead and vacuum seal them. Alright, once the salmon is cooled down to room temperature, go ahead and vacuum seal it in your Avid Armor chamber vacuum sealer, or whatever type of sealer you use. And then go ahead and pop them in the freezer and take them out for your favorite holiday treat. There you go, smoked salmon for Christmas.